Welcome to Fair Tutorial. Let's make this mechanical piece design in SolidWorks. We are in SolidWorks now. Go to the file, new, part, okay. Then select the front plane, sketch, go to the circle. We will use the center circle, smart dimension, and this dimension is 25. Then select the center rectangle, okay. Smart dimension is 50 and this dimension is also 50. Then select the line, something like this, okay, and close. The smart dimension is 16 and the distance from here to here is 64. Then select the line again, something like this, okay. Smart dimension, the distance from here to here is 56 and this dimension is 60. Then select the line again, something like this, and okay. The smart dimension is 16 and the distance from bottom to top is 62. Okay. Go to the fillet entities and fillet these 2 points and it is 25. Okay, and close. Go to the feature, extrude base. So select this portion, this portion, this portion and this portion, and it is 75 and make it into mid plane. Okay, then go to the chamfer, select this and this. The dimension is 10 mm and angle is 45. Okay, select this portion, sketch, draw 2 circles. The smart dimension, this dia is 12. Select the both circle and make it equal. Go to the smart dimension and the distance from this end to this end is 44. Okay, and the distance from here to here is 16 and the distance from here to here is also 16. Okay, go to the feature, extrude cut, blind 75. Okay, so this is ready, and select this portion, sketch, draw a circle, so something like here. Smart dimension, so the dia is 25. Okay, select the center line to here, smart dimension, and this dimension is 36. Okay, go to the feature and extrude cut. Okay, so our 3D model is ready. I hope you like this tutorial. Thank you for watching.